coming back with another thrift flip video, and for today's video we're gonna make another shirt transformation, and this is what I made, and let's get going. Thank you. So for my skirt length, I measured and cut 16 inches from the hemline. This part is optional, but for mine, using a seam ripper, I cut the collar. Next, cut the sleeves. I use my dress form to determine the fit, but if you don't have one, you can just do this in your body. If you're around the same size as me, around size small, you can follow this. I measured 3 inches below and 4 inches on the top, and just draw a straight line and then cut it. I folded the shirt lengthwise to make sure each side is parallel to each other, and I just cut the excess fabric to make sure it's even. Then next, I serged the edges of the shirt. So this is how it looks like, and I flipped the shirt inside out and measured 9 inches from the top of the shoulder for my armhole and marked it with a pin. Then you just have to sew the sides and then flip the armhole to hide the serged edges. So for the skirt, you need to measure your waist. So mine is 26, and I'm gonna do 4 panels. So divided by 4, that's 6.5, and this is the back, and this will be the buttons and buttonholes. So that's gonna be, this should be 6.5, 6.5, and this needs to be 7 and 7 because we have this overlapping lapel here. Then I repeated doing that on the other sides as well. Then next we're just gonna sew the top part with a straight stitch. So before you finish the edges, make sure it fits you first, so it'll be easy for you to do adjustments. Then I serged the edges, but again, if you don't have a serger, just fold it twice. Then I folded it once and bring it to my sewing machine. Then for the ruffles, I just cut 3 strips of 3 inches wide from the sleeves, but you can just make this wider if you want to. And then I just join them together, and you should have at least 30 inches long strip. I finished the edges using a roll template. I bought this on Amazon. Then using the widest stitch, sew on one side of the strip. Then to gather it, separate the 2 threads and then pull 1 thread. Then just manually gather it. Next, place your ruffles in front of your shirt and secure it with pins before sending it to your sewing machine. Also, if you like thrift flip videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you!